What's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with another unboxing. This unboxing comes to us from Dreamer Design. When I heard that they released this, I decided I was breaking my no-buy because I had to have it. I love this artist. I actually already have this print that I bought from the artist. So when I saw it came out in diamond painting form, I was here for it, right? Like, hello, sign me up, take my money, honey. So let's get into it, right? So obviously we have this brown box. We have our purple Dreamer Design box. This is my invoice, right? Right. So, what did I get from the lovely Dreamer Designs, right? Now, you guys might be able to take a guess, or at least maybe be able to take a guess of the artist. If you guys have been on my channel a while, you know I love Kurtis Rykovich. Like, ooh. But yeah, so like I said, when I saw this, I was like, hello, nurse, just take my money, honey. All right. So now that we got the plastic off, Dreamer Designs comes in this box. Now, premium diamond. It even has a little handle that you can carry your diamond painting with you if need be. I mean, that's just awesome. You could also, you know, if somebody's too close in your personal bubble, just whack. No, let's not do that. Let's not get violent. So, okay. You're like, I don't care about the handle, Naomi. Thank you for the, you know, tip on how to defend myself, but I want to see the canvas. So let's get into this. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so excited. Like, and the shipping, it was fast. I mean, like, really fast. I ordered this, like literally the other day, and like 3-4 days later, it was delivered. I was like, woohoo, I'm here for it. Okay, so we got an empty box with your Dreamer Designs kit. They will also come in this, like, carrying bag. Dreamer Designs. You got your little, you know, pull string bag there. Let's open it up. Every Dreamer Design kit, you get this soft, like, almost like a buttery, smooth, like, you know them LuLaRoe leggings, ladies? That's what this Dreamer Design bag feels like, right? So, let's see. What do you get in a Dreamer Design toolkit? All right, let's see. Push this off over here. Dump this out. So we get some baggies that are inside the baggies. Love that if you want to kit up using baggies. I love it when companies put the baggies inside the baggies and you don't open up the toolkit and they just go everywhere. Oh, I hate that. It's such a mess. You also get 2 diamond painting pens, one with a plastic tip, one with your metal tip. It also comes with, you get a straightener to help straighten out your drills. This looks like a 2 placer, as well as a, I'm not sure what this is. I'd say anywhere from a 6 to 8 placer, maybe a 6 placer, maybe a 7 placer, somewhere around there. You get 2 purple squishies to put onto your pens for, you know, comfort and grip as you're diamond painting. You get, Butterfingers, 2 pots of the pink wax with the Dreamer Design logo on it, as well as dun, 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 the murder tweezers, right? These are very, very sharp. Please be careful with them when you're not using them. Always make sure you put the plastic covering on it. Does also have the Dreamer Design logo on your tweezers, as well as you get 2 boats because Dreamer Designs wants you to share the fun with your friends and help you diamond paint. On the back, it even has the Dreamer Design logo. Okay, now that we have gotten into that, let's put this away. Get in there. Get in there. We want to see the goods, right? We want to see the goods. Show us the goods. We want to see the painting. Okay, put that to the side. All right, so we have some of our drills here. I think this is a big mamba jamba. Whoop. We have another pack of drills. I got this in squares. As you can see, the squares look really, really, come on, focus. You see it? I don't see any like dimples, any, you know, problem drills. They look fantastic. You're like, Naomi, I care about the drills, but that's not what I came for. So, Dreamer Designs. Also, they put this nice little ribbon on your painting, so when you open it, it feels like, you know, you're opening a present. And who doesn't like to get presents, right? All right. So, okay, let's roll this the other way. Whoop. It also comes with a little styrofoam roller to keep your painting secure, as well as a sticker legend that is freaking awesome. This painting has, holy moly, 67 colors, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Holy moly. As well, you get like a, you know, join the Dreamer community, just a little thing about Dreamer Designs, as well as instructions on how to diamond paint if you're new to diamond painting. So let's, well, what is that? There's something like, I don't know, is that like burnt or something? Do you see that? What the hell? What is that? Ew. It's like glue or something. Ooh, that's gross. Nasty. Okay. Moving right along. Dreamer Designs is poured glue, so you are able to roll it in whatever directions, you know, fancies you. Just gonna twist this a little bit to get it straight, and voila! We have the Twins, right? The Twins by Kurtis Rykovich. It is a legally licensed. It is 60 by 80, which is a 23.6 by 31.5 inches. Oh, just look at that. I love Stephen King. I love Kurtis Rykovich's art. Like I said, I've already bought the print. I have the print for this. I had to get it in diamond painting form. So, at the top left-hand corner, you have the thumbnail of the picture. It tells you the name of the picture, who it's legally licensed from, and the artist, Kurtis Rykovich. Tells you the design size. Down at the bottom left-hand, you have your legend. I'm kind of looking, trying to see if there's any symbols that might be wonky. So far, not that I see. Well, maybe there was like one, but they're different colors. Where did they go? Like number 10, you got that like C staple looking thing, but it's blue, and there was another staple looking one. Where did it go? Right here, but it's brown going the other direction, so you just might want to, you know, be on the lookout for that. At the bottom, it has their, you know, lifetime warranty, paint with passion, And at the bottom right-hand corner, Dreamer Designs, their logo. On the top right-hand side, right? Ooh, can you see that? We have their Instagram, their Instagram, their YouTube, their Facebook, their Instagram, and Pinterest, right? Woo, Pinterest. That's a dirty little bird that you will get lost in for ages. Right, again, you also on the top right-hand side have your legend with all of your colors and DMC and symbols. Right. So, let's see. Is it sticky? You know, we got to do the sticky test. Ladies and gentlemen, she sticks. She sticks. She is a sticky. Don't have to worry about your drills going anywhere. Let's take a look at the symbols here. They look very clear and not blurry. That is a major plus, because there's nothing like, you know, working on a canvas and you're like, what symbol is that, right? But again, here are the twins. I don't know if you can see it from back there, but you know, they have the red rum in their hair bows with like the knife and a hatchet. You have the twins standing there. You got her little skull necklaces, like in their, I don't want to say like Victorian style dresses, you know, but kind of like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like a Victorian era style dress. This one has her, you know, ripped dead teddy bear. This one has her, you know, it looks like the stuffing's coming out of his eye bunny. You got some blood on their hands here. Like, hello. Again, I love everything Kurtis Rykovich. Like, he is the bomb.com. Again, let's see if I can find this image for you guys. Where is it? I know I have it. I swore I bought it. Maybe not. Okay, just joking. I know I have that image. I just don't know where it's at the moment. But yes. So again, this is a square painting, 67 colors with 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Let's see where these ABs go, right? So number 3. Where is 3? Let's see if we can find it. 3. Okay, it looks like in this light blue here in the dress, we're going to have, I'm guessing, some blue ABs as well as in the dress there on the shoulders. We have any more 3 ABs laying around here? Come on. Come out and play with me. I see you standing down the hall. I know you want to play with me. All right, let's see. Then we have the 3 little dots. Looks like maybe a yellow. Where would that be? Come on out. You know, it's like when you're looking for them, you can never find them. You know, then you shut the camera off and all of a sudden they jump out at you, right? So number 3, not 3, the 3 little dots, right? Like the 3 little pigs. Where would it be? Hello? Come on out. The 3 little dots, I don't see it. I know it's on here. Come on. Where you at? All right, we're gonna stop the video so I can quickly find where these ABs. Okay, I'm back. Did some looking and I found it. So again, the ABs, if you're new to diamond painting, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It is just a coating on the drills that just has an extra little shiny coating. I'm not gonna pull everything out, but I will show you. As you can see here, it's just got that little extra shiny coating on it, you know, where the other ones, it just makes it sparkle a little more, where the other ones are sparkly, but just, you know, don't have that little coating. So again, the 3s are going to be, you know, in the dresses and the sleeves. The 3 little dots are up here, I guess, in like the wallpaper on the wall behind them. That's like a yellow. The pink AB with the up arrow is, where did it go? I just saw ya. It is like in the bunny's ear, in the bunny's face, as well as in the teddy bear. Let me see if I can find it. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? See the little up arrow there, just sprinkled throughout the teddy bear. And then the O, and for the white AB that I showed you, will go in their eyes. Got some sprinkled in their eyes, right? See the O in the eyes, as well as sprinkled down in the bottom of the dresses. So again, this is the Twins by Kurtis Rykovich from Dreamer Designs. It is a 60 by 80 centimeter, 23.6 inches by 35.5 inches. If you like this painting and you're interested in getting it, I will make sure to have it linked down in the description box down below. But with that said, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys.